Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the NVIDIA error unable to download the recommended drivers. So, to fix this error, first click Windows plus R on your keyboard and then type local app data. Click OK, and then you have to find NVIDIA Corporation in it. So, click on NVIDIA Corporation and then go to NVIDIA Geforce Experience. Here you will find this folder CEF cache. So basically you have to delete this folder. It says that the action cannot be completed because the folder or file is in use. It's because I have the NVIDIA application open, so I will close it and then try again. So now it has deleted. The next step is to uninstall the NVIDIA experience. Click on your Windows button, write uninstall, and this will come up. Add or remove program. Now write GeForce here, and on these three icons, click on it, click uninstall, and it will uninstall the program. Once you have uninstalled the program, go to your browser and then write GeForce Experience. Click on this and click download now. Once you have downloaded it, you can install it again and then log in, and hopefully that will fix your issue. And that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.